You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Tuesday, September 15th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the equities market resumed downtrend as trading activities closed on a negative note as NSE-ASI declined by 0.03% for the day. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at minus 4.64%. The all-share index closed at 25,597.96 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.354 trillion naira in 3,597 deals. The market closed with 13 gainers to 15 losers. The top gainers for equity were Ikeja Hotel, UACN Property Development Company and Cornerstone Insurance, while the top losers were NPF Microfinance Bank, Union Diagnostic and Clinical Services, and Red Star Express. From this, market sentiment and bread closed negative as investors lost 3.98 billion naira. FBN Holdings, Guarantee Trust Bank and Zenith Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the NASD update for the OTC markets, the NSI and market capitalization advanced by 1.15 to close at 727.12 basis points and 534.12 billion respectively. The change in volume traded advanced to close at 1.23 million. The value traded closed at 74.42 million in 11 deals executed, an overall increase in performance on the exchange for the day. For the FMDQ group, the debt market size closed at 28.13 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 385 naira 83 kobo, while the I&E FX rate inched up by 0.03% to open at 386 naira 50 kobo and closed at 386 naira to a dollar. You can also check for global, commodity, currency, and other indices on the economic dashboard displayed on the screen. For the market highlights, Ella Lakes announced yesterday that it has signed a produce offtake agreement with Pure Flour Mills Limited, a subsidiary, the United Foods Industries Limited, for the initial supply of a minimum of approximately 5,000 metric tons of cassava to its processing facility in Edo State. The company expects to commence delivery of the initial tonnage to commence from the yields of the 2020-2021 harvesting season. For the market activities to watch, the Nigerian Stock Exchange will host Capital Hotels PLC to present their 2019 financials to the capital market community during the virtual Facts Behind the Figures session today by 1:30 p.m. Also, the Financial Markets Dealers Association Treasury Support Work Group webinar will feature Mr. Emmanuel Alao, Chief Operating Officer, FMDQ Depository Limited, to address the consideration for remote settlement of trades, process, systems, and risk management by 10 a.m. ProShare Confidential Report on NSE 10 years after a takeover, the good, the bad, and undecided is to be released today. And that brings us to the end of this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more market updates. Do connect with us on our social media platforms showing on your screen. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching.